In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use FYBIT and how to do a special kind of leverage, okay? Let me put in my trade. Let's say I want to put in a half a Bitcoin. I will cut that amount in half to 0.25. I will put in my first part at 50x. Watch this. And then I will put my other half in at 25x. What does this do? This does two things. One, it gives me a lower fee. Instead of 50x being 7.5, it's 5.62. Anything over that you get to keep. Gives you a slightly lower leverage. Now, this is a very fickle exchange. Yes, we have dark mode for you weirdos out there. Let's go dark mode. I never do that on FYBIT. Summon the drums of war. I hate dark mode. I'm an albino myself. Now, I don't expect to win this instantly. What I'm showing you is that for the newer person, this magic combo, and you're not waiting to do it at a certain time. When the time is right for you to enter, okay, we have two reds on the 1 hour. Price seems to be dropping. The 6 hours probably indecisive. Yes, it's Sunday. We're probably going red. 3-minute cycles where you're short. Okay, right there. So, I did this for illustrative purposes only. Now, it will give you, if this is a much more conservative, safer way to trade. I have different techniques for each of the exchanges that I link. Let me show you. Let's go to my crypto trader channel. Let's pick one of these. Core compounding, if you're doing it, let me know down below. It's making people rich. For Bing X right here, I do altcoins. I have a totally different strategy as far as leverage and everything. We will make more videos on that. But right now we're working on FYBIT. And if you want to change your life, learn from the Oracle. You know I'm the only one that will teach you in person, not sell you a course, nothing. 1 hour with me on a Zoom call. Forget everything you ever learned about trading. It's all wrong. I will teach you how to play a game called War. Red Army versus the Green Army. Even if your wife or your husband called you an idiot, you can learn how to do this. And then you have ongoing help. You're never alone. You're in the special part of my Discord called the War Room, where we fight. Now, what's the point of this? It could go against me, whatever. I'm going to leave this. This 37.5 is magical. It lowers your fees. Okay, and then the other thing is that 25x is too slow. Yes, you see me on Bing X doing 20x on altcoins, but here it is a different exchange, different engine, different strategy. Anything lower than this, you will be grinding in a trade for what seems like eternity. I learned on an exchange just like this one, this style. There is no funding fees, there's nothing. But this technique of, let's say you wanted to put in 1 Bitcoin, right? Instead of putting in the 1 Bitcoin, you cut that bad boy in half. You do 50x at market if you want to short, buy down. And then 25x with the other half at market if you want to short, buy down. This gives you an unavailable leverage right between the two, which is just slow enough to be fast and just slow enough to be safe. Better for the newer people. Better if you want to like leave a trade and go bang a dwarf or walk the dog or do something. Never, ever on this exchange do I recommend you do 75 or 100x. My normal cruising speed is 50x, but you can do this or OTEC 2550. We're going to get a big green candle. Oh, look at that. Am I Houdini or what? Did I just tell you the future? How was I able to say, oh, we're going to get a big green candle before it came out? Well, I teach people how to study this chart. Okay, very simple. The bigger the candle, the bigger the move. All it does is go up and down, warriors. I've gone insane. I offered something incredible. First of all, there is a link to get into my Discord for free below. You can get my consultation and all of that. But I've started something for the little guy who can't afford a consultation. If he can post the link, if he can type a sentence, Get into my Discord first, okay? Get into my Discord first. And, well, I tell you, if you could type a sentence, you can get an affiliate commission. Oh, yeah. Let me bring it to you, baby. Come, quick show more. Come down here. The Oracle Affiliate Program. Earn passive income. Okay? As a matter of fact, you could earn about $400 for one referral, and it's unlimited. Everything you need is here down in the description box. Earn your way in by sharing a secret with a friend, because nobody can beat the Oracle. Now, let me teach you about this exchange. There are certain things you need to know that will give you power. Looking at the 1 minute will make you crazy. It'll make you think, oh my God, I entered wrong. What did I do? There's your pump on the 3 minute cycle. That's why it's going slightly against you. We actually entered at the bottom of the 3 minute cycle. Direction at this moment is green but weakening. For 1 hour says that we were dumping, but that's weakening as well. So we really don't have clear direction. It is a perfect time to use this system. If you look at this, it's going to scare you. You're down 4%, bro. Now let me give you the parameters of war, so you know when to fear the Reaper. If this is down about 70%, you risk the chance of getting liquidated and losing everything you put in the trade, not your entire wallet. This is not cross leverage. It's not offered here, so we cannot use it as a shield of defense. Now, it's important that I teach you defensive strategies. We don't use stop losses. This is not technical analysis. What is this? This is tactical warfare. War on the 1 minute chart. We don't care about the daily, the weekly, the high, the low. We care about direction, entry, exit. That's it. Now, we need to defend our forces. Let me teach you the anti-liquidation countermeasure. Are you ready? It's very simple. So far, I've taught you the OTEC 2550. How to get that magical leverage that's just fast enough, yet not too slow. Will help all of you. Now I'm going to show you how to place this. Now, normally it's half. Okay? Half your trade size. That's what I like. You can equal your trade size, but you're already starting at a lower leverage. If it fires off, it will cut this leverage in half and leave you with crawling on your knees through the desert. We need the speed and velocity of as much leverage as possible. I am going to teach you. I'm going to teach you a countermeasure. I'm going to teach you an attack move. How dare they come near your position? We will destroy them. Are you ready? Let's go. Again, this only works on FYBIT. Take half your, we always go in and out at market. Buy down, buy up. We never use this. We don't need calculators. What are we in school? Sometimes we need support. It's right here. Deposit and withdrawal. The withdrawal's an instant. Love it. So, let's do the coordinates of my protective feature. An ALCM. You know how I know this so well? I invented it. It's not TA. ALCM. Anti-liquidation countermeasure. Like anti-tank defenses. We're going to take our cut loss number. Since we're shorting, we're going to subtract $10 from it. When we long, we add $10 to that number and we put it here. So everyone pay attention. 20,883 are the coordinates. Speed. Wind speed. 1x. Don't be crafty and try 5x or 10x or some nonsense like that. This is a specific protocol. Those who don't listen to protocol get wrecked in the field. Those who are in my Discord have support. When you're calling command, we're there. We're there to help you. We're there to answer your questions, and Discord is free. Consult will change your life. I'm handing you a skill, and now it has an affiliate program that can help you earn your way to a console. Pay it out in Bitcoin, baby, and we're not talking nickels and dimes. We're talking $400 or $500, and for your friend, $150 off for mentioning your Discord name when they email us for a console. So get in the Discord. It's free. Join us. Why do you want to trade alone? You're going to get destroyed. So let's drop this attack coordinate in. Buy down. Now, let me tell you where it's going to wind up. It's going to wind up here. Open order. Double check your work before you do it. I get liquidated, or so they think, at $20,893. But guess what? At $20,883, something magical will happen that only happens on FYBIT. This will fire off like an order. But here's the magic. It is blended into your current order. What does that do? It increases your order size, which is great when you win. It cuts your leverage down, but again, we're using half of our size. So we're not going to cut our leverage in half. We don't want that. We will be crawling on our knees in the battlefield. It will cut it down slightly. We have wallet management in case we need to add another. We don't go all in and try to get rich on one trade. Now, when I start, and let me just finish with ALCM. So if this thing dares to pump up against your position without you doing anything, without you making a stupid, rash human decision at the last minute, the very last minute, $10 is the number. Don't even skip a penny. $10 before. You don't want your order to get skipped. It will fire off like AI, like a protective shield, pushing away your liquidation price, your cut loss price, pushing it further away, reducing your leverage, increasing your trade size. And as long as you got direction right, guess what, baby? You win. And if it's still going against you, but you got direction because you're looking at BitMEX time frames here and seeing what's going on, well, you can add an additional one, another ALCM. Your position will get even bigger, but you will win. I'm looking through some folders, and I want to show you some older Bit 7 trades, which is exactly like FYBIT. Look at this day. December 16th, it was probably last December, okay? 2,200 in 1 minute, 2,300, 12%. You don't want to get these small percentages, but if you're putting bigger money in, then it matters, okay? 18%, I did that on a live stream, 20%. So this is how you want to do it, in and out, boom, boom, boom. Taking the money, nailing it, nailing it, nailing it, nailing it. Legendary. Now don't forget, Bit 7 was exactly like FYBIT, okay? So we look here, they're identical. This might even have been FYBIT. 1 Bitcoin, 19%, that's 0.19. That's about $2,000. 39%, 41%, 43%, 46%, 43% on 166 Ethereum. Look at that, 166 Ethereum. I was the reason why they broke, okay, why they lowered the the amount you can trade. I am the devastator. I was up 72 ETH there. And it goes on and on and on and on. Okay? And I've been doing this for years, and I can teach you how to crush it. I don't know what this was. Huge day. Look, just boom, 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 boom. War on the 1 minute chart. Okay, 120% on a half a Bitcoin. Epic. Well, let me take you. Here's where we are now. I've taught you the protection strategy. I taught you how to do the 25-50. I taught you how to do everything on FYBIT. The rest is up to you. And if you'd like to join my group, at this point, the last thing to say is, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You're going to go and watch Crypto Kirby or MM Crypto or any of these other morons that never trade, never teach you anything. They draw circles like you're in kindergarten and you're an idiot. And they make up terms like bearish wedge, which could break to the downside, but look, it might break to the upside. I don't know. I'm just a technical analysis moron. Not us. We are the degens of crypto. We will take your crypto like we are mining it from human beings on the exchange. We use the easiest exchanges, and we have strategic ways to beat them. Let me wrap up with my prognosis at 10:26 a.m. Green Army's weakening on the 6th, which is the main direction of the ocean. Looks like the weekend fool pumping is over. Red Army's starting to come in. We got a little tail there, sign of weakness. I'm overall betting on a down day. In this very moment, we had a little pumping action. That's why my trade is only down 1%. Look, I'm going to win this. I can't keep the trade going all day. You can make notice of the numbers and where I am and where the price is, and you can armchair warrior yourself all day. My job here is done. I wanted to teach you the OTEC, Oracle Technology, OTEC 2550 for use on FYBIT with my ALCM, anti-liquidation countermeasures. And again, always use an Exodus wallet. When you're done trading, take advantage of instant withdrawal. And for altcoins, my favorite is Bing X. It's listed below. And join us. Even if you can't afford this, if you can't afford $1,900 or $2,000, all right, to learn how to trade, and you're trading, you have to take whatever money you have and go to a psychiatrist and ask them, what the hell are you doing? Links for all these great exchanges are below, and you can read more about my new affiliate program, man. Earn Bitcoin. Have a great day. Kick some ass. See you in my Discord. Look for the link below if you could find it.